Hi guys, so today I want to show you all how me and my boys are going to make a delicious pancake. Are you ready to come along with us?
Yeah.
Jasmine, what are we doing today?
We're making pancakes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Tyria, what are we making?
Good.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Good. So come along with us. So, what are we putting in the pancake first? I told you flour. Now, can you pour that gently? We are pouring it inside the mixing bowl. After the flour,
It's egg.
no, the sugar. Tyria, can you pour the sugar for us? Now hold sugar. Let's pour it in. Good job.
Next is water.
No butter. Next is the milk. Who is going to pour the milk?
I.
Okay, so can you pour it gently so that Tyria can finish the rest, right? Okay. We'll leave some for Tyria. Tyria, can you drink it? What do you say? So after that, we are going to break the egg. I have to break the egg myself, okay? No, don't put your hand in your mouth. Break the egg and it goes in. Yay! So after that, we'll put a dash of nutmeg. What did I say? Nutmeg. Take. Put just a dash like this. That's all. After that, we'll put a pinch of baking powder. What is this?
Pinch of baking powder.
Good job. So we'll open it. I'll take a little bit. Now, can you put, no, this one, pour it inside. Good job. Don't put that. So, please manage our video like that. Then we're going to put a bit of salt. Don't put that one yet. So let's put this. Okay. Now, take. Don't spill it. Just put it directly inside. Good job. What are you doing? You're making pancake. Okay, then the next thing we are going to put is what? What is this? What is this? Perfect. Good job. Now, just pour that one here like this. Both of you want to put together. Now, hold this together for the perfect. So,
Next
now
is water.
Now put the water. Oh. It's time to pour. You are drinking milk. It's time to pour the water. You pour some until pour some, right?
And I'll drink it.
No, you're going to pour it in the pancake. Now pour some gently. Tyria, can you pour some for us? Gently, just some. So now it's time to mix. We're just going to pour some water at a time. So it's time. What are we doing?
Mixing.
You're mixing the pancake. Now let me mix it a bit so that you will mix it after. We have to mix it a bit so that the lumps would actually go in, and then we can add some water. Tyria, are we done? Where are you going? Come. We're not done with the pancake. We haven't fried it, so why are you bringing your plate for? Kasimi, no.
I want to bring mine.
No, you can't use your plate. Are you going to take the pancake like this? Now stand on the stool and watch what we are doing. So I'm turning.
Put it in.
Put it where?
Yeah.
Oh, Vaughn, this is not a cake. This is a pancake. So it has to be fried in a frying. Good job. So it's so thick now. What are we going to add now? Some more water. No, some more water. So that's me. Add some more water. Add it. Don't spill it. Now that's fine. Drop it. Now let me mix in the water and then you mix some again. Who is ready to eat some yummy, delicious pancake? You're ready, Tyria. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You want to finish the pancake?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are still turning. Don't go. They are so impatient. They want to eat the pancake. They don't even want it to get ready. But it's not ready. So when it's ready, we will fry it on the fire. And it will be so
Delicious.
good. So we have done a lot of work. See, they need to drink water. So please, it's hard work to cook. But you always eat mommy's delicious pancake. Now you are making it yourself. So that next time you can appreciate mommy. Turn it. Hold it like this. Good. And turn it gently. Don't spill it. Turn it gently. Just keep turning. Like this. I keep turning. Good. 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 I don't want injection now. Give it to Tiri to turn some too. Give it to Tiri. Now Tiri, turn it a bit. Turn it. Turn it, turn it, turn it. What are we doing?
We're making it.
We're turning the pancake. Now our pancake is ready. And
Let's
we're
finish.
taking it to the kitchen to fry. Bye. Say bye to everybody. Come and stand.
Bye, everybody.
Say bye, everybody. We'll show you our pancake soon. Say bye. Bye. To fry the pancake. So you take a scoop of the cream. Don't touch it. It's hot. Pour it in. Oh. And then a little more.
Please, please.
This one is hot. It's too dangerous. I can't let you touch it.
Please.
Good. So, after this is done, we just try and balance it properly.
And fry it.
I want to fill up all the holes. Stop that. Drop it. All this hole. Don't touch anything till I tell
It's
you.
for my own. It's for my own. It's for my own.
This is too easy.
Mommy, it's for my own. Oh. Mommy, it's for my own.
Stop talking. Now. So we're going to wait for a little while for the first side of the pancake to be browned a bit, and then we'll flip it. We're going to flip it very soon, okay? So let me carry you. See what is inside. Good. Flip it. See? Flip it. Ooh. Does it look pretty? I'm going to make the big one next. So we flip the pancake. This one is for Tiresimi. Then the next big one is going to be for Dasimi, right? The very big one that's going to take, that's going to occupy the entire pan. You will finish it and show me your plate. Right? 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 No pancake for you. Right? Say yes. So we're waiting for our pancake to be ready. What should we do? Should we dance while we wait? Should we sing?
Yes.
Siri, can you give us this? That's me. Sing now. That's me. Are you singing? No pancake for you. Can we do the vibes dance? See. Yeah. That's me. No pancake again. Please, are you enjoying our little kitchen series? These boys, this is what they do to me every single day. They want to cook with me. I ask them to grow a little older before they cook, but they are in a hurry. They will cook here, they will understand. So let's check if our pancake is ready. See that one is going. Tiresimi is not interested. He just wants to eat. But see, no pain, no gain. Before you eat, it has to be ready. So you said more?
Ow.
I should add more. How do you want to finish that large thing? It's too big. It's big enough. Look at it. It's in the entire pan. It's very big. You can finish 2 of this huge size. But no, that's fine. So now I want to trim this. We usually cut up our pancake like a pizza cut design so that it will look more attractive and it will encourage them to eat it more. So when they bring the knife now, see, we have our knife now. So I'm just going to cut it into different sizes. That's how we eat our pancake. See, one is going to be like this, like a pizza cut, and then I repeat the cutting all through, and then he's going to leave us here while the video is still on. He's so hungry, so he's going to eat. Can we get his bubble? Bubble, please. Bubble. That's me. Go and get his bubble. See how that's him is speaking his name. So now, what you say to mommy?
Thank you.
Now go and eat your pancake. Do you like it? That the sides are getting brown? Alright, just to avoid it from getting burnt. So sometimes I can even flip my pancake more than once, just so that it has like an even color. So right now I'm flipping it the first time. Good. Yeah. So after this, it's actually done. So I'll just wait for the other part to get very brown like this. He doesn't like it looking all soft. He likes it having a little crunch and a little bit of a brown, like a slightly toasted color like this. So both of my boys have their different tastes in eating and their different styles of eating. The other one likes it not as brown, but he likes it more brown. So we're frying, and then when we are done, that's going to be the end of the video. I really do hope you enjoyed our little kitchen series. I'll be bringing you more of these episodes as time permits me with my boys, okay? And very soon when Lady Mo grows up, she'll join the series. So have a nice day, guys. Our pancake is ready and they're going to enjoy it. Bye. I can